System errors causing the YouTube Library DLL crashes in localized multimedia logic. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for YouTube Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the YouTube Library, a specialized YouTube integration module, frequently associated with localized video downloaders or uploaders to manage the unmanaged data link between the software and the YouTube API manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The presence of YouTube Library DLL is mandatory for localized multimedia logic to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the YouTube library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Keep in mind that YouTube Library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing YouTube library-related system data. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for YouTube Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.